Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has demanded 80 to 90 seats for the NCP during his meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah as the seat-sharing talks between the ruling Mahayuti Alliance constituencies, ahead of the assembly polls. During his brief meeting with Amit Shah, Ajit Pawar insisted on finalizing the seat distribution as early as possible and avoiding lingering around till the last minute like the Lok Sabha elections. My colleague Rishali Kadam with us on the broadcast. Rishali, take our viewers through the details. It does seem that Ajit Pawar is now exerting some amount of pressure on his alliance partners within the BJP as well in order to decide the seat-sharing formula for Maharashtra.
That, last few days, Ajit Pawar is in completely action mode. Right now also, when the Maharashtra is suffering from the flood-like situation, particularly in Pune, he himself is on the ground. So he is hitting ground, he is meeting the top leaders of the alliance and asking them to, at least give 80 to 90 seats, which is a big amount. Remember, for the Lok Sabha, Ajit Pawar has got 4 seats, and out of 4, he won only 1 seat, and the biggest loss was his own wife defeated by Supriya Sule in Baramati. Despite of that, now Ajit Pawar is asking 80 to 90 seats for the assembly out of 288 seats. Remember, as I've said, that all the alliance partners, be it Shinde's Shiv Sena or Ajit Pawar, they are demanding 100 seats, and this time, after the negotiation, it is Ajit Pawar who is pretty much adamant to contest 80 to 90 seats. This meeting is very important, which has happened because this meeting happened after the Vivek, the weekly, which is closely associated with the RSS, published a story by saying or claiming that after discussion with the BJP cadre, they are publishing this particular article where it has mentioned that Ajit Pawar coming BJP with Ajit Pawar, it's a damage for the BJP, and post that when it has been decided by Amit Shah, the party supremo, that all the 3 partners will contest together for the upcoming assembly seats. So certainly, that point of time, what will be the tone and tenure of the closely associated associations? All these things were discussed, and this time it has been demanded by Ajit Pawar's party that 80 to 90 seats they want to contest. That time, Praful Patel was also there, and post that. This kind of demand that, which has popped up of 80 to 90 seats. A lot of murmuring is also happening in the cadre of BJP because he has won only 1 seat out of 4, which was given to him in the Lok Sabha.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.